In this video I will show you a step-by-step process how you will make money with the fitness channel on YouTube. If you don't know me before, I'm the creator of YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where we have more than 74,000 subscribers, where I help people to make money online from home. And just before I show you the steps to make money with the fitness channel, I just want to show you that I know what I'm talking about. Here are some examples from other programs that I have been using to make money. $9,500 in the last 30 days. Here is another program, $2,600 in the last 7 days. And also I make money from YouTube ads. Here more than $1,010, and here $1,182 for one video. Here $1,033 for one video. So you understand that I know what I'm talking about. Now let's start immediately with the first step for making money, and that is choosing affiliate programs. Because as I showed you earlier, you will make more money with affiliate programs, which means that you copy paste a link in the description of your video. For example, this one that I showed you paid me $2,600. This is simply when people click my link and they take action, I earn money for that. And that's what I also recommend for you, because that pays 10 times more money than YouTube ads, even though you can also earn money from YouTube ads, but copy pasting link pays you more. And first I would like to ask you a question. Is there a specific niche or specific topic in this fitness industry that you want to focus on? Because let me show you right here. There are 55 fitness niche ideas for starting a fitness business. Fitness supplements, weight loss, fasting, fitness apps, woman fitness, home fitness, bodybuilding, pregnancy fitness, sleep quality, anti-aging, running, CrossFit, and so many other niches. So is there any specific niche or a specific topic that you want to focus on, or is it fitness overall? Both are fine. I'm just asking you so we can get started with this process. Once you have decided your topic, you can simply type it on Google, for example, fitness affiliate programs, or if you want to focus on something specific, for example, bodybuilding, you can type here bodybuilding affiliate programs. Or if you want to focus, let's say, on CrossFit, you can type CrossFit affiliate programs. You get the idea. You simply type your niche name, your topic name, and then the affiliate programs. Then what you do next is you open some of these posts, and here you will see affiliate programs that will pay you money. Let me give you an example. Here are top 15 fitness affiliate programs to profit from. Fan Fuel affiliate program. So how does this system work? Let's take this one as an example. So they pay 40% commission per sale. Cookie duration is 90 days. So when somebody clicks your link and they buy something on this website, you will earn money as long as they make the purchase within 90 days on the same device. And they pay you with the bank transfer, PayPal, wire transfer, or Payoneer. Just to give you an idea of your earnings, if you earn 40% per sale, if people click your link and they go to the website, let's say they buy, for example, $1,000 worth of products, 40% out of that is $400, so you earn $400 just like that. And here are many other options. Ace affiliate program, you can see they pay 7% per sale, and you can see that the affiliate commission varies a lot. Here only 5% commission per sale. Rebook pays 7%, Speedo 7%, so you can understand, you get a little bit of idea what kind of commission you will get. This one pays you $25 per sale, so when somebody clicks your link, they go to that website called NASM and they buy something, you earn $25 each time. If 10 people, for example, click your link and they buy something on NASM website, you will earn $250 just like that. And here are even more. You can see 29 best fitness affiliate programs. You can find it simply searching on Google fitness affiliate programs, and you can see all of these different options right here. You can see a long list. Some of them are actually the same, some of them are different ones, but you can see all the details here. If you want to sign up to any of these, you simply click right here. Let me just give you an example, and then usually they have some sign up now button. So here you click here, sign up now, and then you will be starting to earn money. Let me give you this example. You will earn 8% commission on every sale, and average order volume is over $1,000. So if an average person buys 1,000, you earn 8% out of that. You earn $80 for each sale on average. And let's say 10 people do the similar order, that would be $800 earnings for you. The other option is that you simply type on YouTube fitness affiliate programs, and here you will also get many different options. You can see here immediately like a dozens of different programs that you can promote. Or if you are following some fitness influencers, for example on YouTube or podcasts or bloggers, then you can see what they are promoting, and you can start promoting some of the same products. Another option is this Wealthy Affiliate platform where they have this section for affiliate program search. Let me give you an idea. You type here fitness. If you don't know about Wealthy Affiliate, I have a specific playlist on my main channel right here with 35 videos, so you can learn more about that. And if you join through my link, you can also get my personal support and guidance. I will help you messages, tips, and all this great stuff so you can start making money faster. But they have this platform, you can click right here on promote, and they show different platforms for making money, different affiliate programs. So type here fitness, for example, and you can see it lists for you all of these affiliate programs, and it takes from many different sources. So you can see this one is a direct fitness options, then Titan, this one is from Clickbank, and when you scroll down you can see here gym and fitness, Ideal Fit, Bikini, Under Armour. You can see some of the same affiliate programs that we also saw earlier in this blog post. But here you can also directly join this. Let's take for example TRX. I saw it also on that other website. So you can see right here, I click here find program details, and here I can click here to join this program, and it takes me directly to Commission Junction where I can create my account and start earning money with TRX and many other companies. So once you have chosen the best affiliate programs for you, you simply sign up to them, you fill out the forms, and then you wait until you are approved, and then you are ready to start making money. Once you have signed up to affiliate programs, the second step is to find keywords that you will target on YouTube search. So when people search for something, your videos will come up and you will start earning money. And I will give you a couple of ideas immediately. The first one, which is perfect for affiliate marketing, are those review keywords. Let me give you an example. Here you can see this list of different affiliate programs. Let's say that you would sign up for this Titan Fitness affiliate program. Then you can simply type here on YouTube Titan Fitness review, and you can see these are getting crazy amount of views, almost 100,000 views right here, more than 400,000 views, 78,000 views. So this seems like a perfect keyword. Review keywords are awesome because people usually search for them just before they are about to buy. They are thinking, would this be good? Then they go to YouTube, they search for Titan Fitness review, your video comes up, you share the opinions, they sign up using your link, you start earning money. Let's take another example. InnoSubs affiliate program. If you sign up for this one, you can simply type here InnoSubs review. You can target the video with this keyword, and you can see, for example, you can take some of the specific product, let's say Nights Red or Inno Cleans or whatever you want, or you can simply make a general review of the products overall of the company. And if you haven't used some of the products and you still want to promote them, that's also fine, because you can see other people's opinions and then you can collect them and then you can present all of those opinions in one video. That saves other people's times, it provides value for the marketplace, and you can earn money when people click your link. You can save people's time a lot, because let's say somebody is going to, is this good product? So he watches this video, this and this and this and this. He's going to watch like 5 to 10 videos to know. But if you watch all of those videos and then you collect all of those opinions in one video, you will save a lot of people's time, and that's how you add value to the marketplace, and you will also make money with affiliate marketing. Alright, so the review keywords are awesome, but the other awesome keyword is also tutorial. So you can type, for example, TRX training tutorial, and you can see these are getting crazy amount of views, 1.4 million views, 1.6 million views. So I think these types of keywords would really be awesome. 3 million views. So all kinds of tutorial. Or you can go for the third type of keyword, which is how to keyword. Let me give you an example. You can type here, for example, how to build a home gym, and this would be a perfect keyword. You can see how to build a home gym, and then you could promote here this Titan Fitness. You can see power racks, barbells, benches, bumper plates, and gym machines, and then you can leave your link, and when people buy some of these products, you earn money. A good thing about this is that these products usually are not cheap, so people are going to spend quite a lot of money, and you will of course earn a lot of commissions for that. At the same time, you are making a positive change in the world, because people are getting in a better shape and they are becoming healthier thanks to your videos. So it's a win-win-win situation for everybody. Other how-to videos can be, for example, how to get fit after, let's say, some age like 50, 40, whatever keyword you want to target. These are usually good, because let's say you put how to get fit after 50. People over 50 years old usually have much more money than people who are, let's say, 20 or 25 years old. So if you target the keyword how to get fit after 50, you are targeting people with money. And here of course you can give your own recommendations, and perhaps you can promote some products that you recommend. I saw here some supplements. Perhaps some of these products might be good for that. I haven't studied this, but you probably know better if you are an expert in the fitness industry. Another one that people like is how to get fast results. So how to get in shape fast would be one option. And here again, you can give your own recommendations and then you can put links in the description of your video. Now that you have joined affiliate programs and you have found some good keywords to target, the next step is simply to record and publish videos. And if you don't want to show your face, that's completely fine. You can, for example, record your phone with a screen recorder. For example, this X recorder is 100% free with 100 million downloads, a 4.8 star rating. I have been using it myself. I'm not affiliated with them. I simply like to use it myself. If you are recording your computer, you can use Screencast-O-Matic. There is also a free version available. Let me give you an example how I could make money promoting, for example, this Horizon that we saw earlier. They pay on average, you can see $80 for each sale. So I could simply record this screen, this Horizon fitness website, and then I could show, hey, this Horizon has a free shipping. They have different treadmills you can see. You can buy this one and this one. Then you can simply explain different things. Of course, you want to target a specific keyword and then you want to talk what people are interested in. For example, if they are looking for elliptical machines, you show some of these. If they are looking for cycles, you show these bikes, and whatever they are looking for, you show that. And then you simply show the steps how people can buy. You can show that click here, then people will add it into cart. Then you show that, okay, click here to check out, and that's how you simply make the money. You simply show click here, click here, click here, and then people will do that and you will earn money. And if you want to show your face, you can also just use your mobile phone, or you can use your webcam on your computer, or if you have a camera, you can use that. All options are completely fine. Once you have published a lot of videos, you can start analyzing what works. And this is an extremely important step. I see so many people, they go through the first steps, they publish some videos, but then they don't analyze. This is the most important steps of all. So for example, you see what kind of videos are getting you more views. I could come to my own channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online. I actually do this every week. I analyze what works, what doesn't work. Here I could see, okay, these videos are getting lots of views. Can I create similar videos again? Because even if you wouldn't get a lot of views, let's say you get 100 views or just 10 views, which one of your videos is getting the most views? Which one is getting the least amount of views? Because I'm 100% sure that not all of your videos, let's say you publish 20 videos, not all of them are going to get the same amount of views. Some of them will get more views. Some of them will get less views. Then you simply see what works, what gets more views, you create more of that. Or if you want to make more money, then you simply see what kind of videos generate you the more money. Let's say an example again. If you promote Horizon affiliate program in one of your videos and then you promote Monkey affiliate program in another video, then you compare which one of those affiliate programs made you more money. Let's say Monkey made you $500, Horizon made $1,000. Then you realize, if I want to earn more money, I will promote Horizon more, right? That's also a feedback mechanism from your audience, because usually when something pays you more, it means that your audience likes that because they are buying it, they are using that, right? Then you can take a look at likes and comments. Which one of your videos is getting more likes? By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, show some love, smash up the like for the YouTube algorithm. And then you can come to look at the comments. What are people asking? What are people saying? What are they asking? Are they giving some feedback? As you can see, I still read and reply all the comments, even though I have more than 174,000 subscribers. So if you have, let's say, 1,000 or 10,000, you can definitely still read the comments. And then of course you can go to YouTube Analytics. So when you click here and you come to YouTube Studio, then there will be YouTube Analytics, and YouTube shows you all kinds of data. It shows you, for example, what kind of keywords people were looking for just before they clicked for your video. And then you can get information there. What can you target in the upcoming video? Once you have done all of this analysis, you move to the last step, which is improve. So you focus on the affiliate programs that your audience likes. You create more videos about the topics that are getting more views. You create more videos targeting the keywords that people are searching for when they come to your channel. And then you improve, you repeat this process. You publish videos, analyze, you improve, and repeat and repeat. Publish, analyze, improve. Publish, analyze, improve. Over and over and over again. And that's how you make life-changing money on YouTube with the fitness YouTube channel. Now this was just a quick overview and a game plan how you will start making money on YouTube. I have also prepared an entire program called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I will help you to make a life-changing income online and achieve an ultimate freedom. With ultimate freedom, I mean that you have financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom. So you can work anytime you want, you can go to vacation anytime time you want. You can live anywhere in the world, in Asia, Africa, America, Europe, all around the world. You can travel like I have done, and you have financial freedom. You don't need to worry about money. You can make money just like this by doing a certain actions, and you can spend the time with the people that you love. That's what I teach you and help you to achieve here on my program 2 Journey to Freedom. We go through all the steps from zero to building a successful YouTube channel and creating successful videos and making a life-changing income on YouTube. If you don't want to show your face on YouTube, don't worry, you can follow the same steps to start making money and monetize your YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description where you can join immediately my program 2 Journey to Freedom, and you and me, my friend, we are going to see inside immediately.